Hey guys, good morning. It's Marco in the Easy Shop. And it's a hot and humid Easy Shop at that. Today, we're gonna try to do an engine start. JT is all ready to go. I've had to tear the doors down. I'll show you in just a second. As soon as Chris gets here, I'm gonna push around, put some fuel in it, do the pre-oiling procedure by service bulleting, like Cummins service bulleting. Then put the spark plugs on and try to run it. Odds are it might not start, but so 50% might not start, the other 50% is gonna smoke like the Blue Angels on the 4th of July because this engine, I put 6 gallons of oil. Oil is spilled into all the intakes and exhaust via the valves. So I cleaned up as much as I could, but I'm still expecting this to smoke quite a lot. The success will be if we get ignition, if we can get the propeller to turn a little bit. After that, it's all good. We know that things are working. We make sure that we don't have any fuel leaks and oil leaks, and then we can take it to the airport. Before we get JT inspected though, I like to fix the bottom cowling because it no longer fits with the new fuel servo. So let me show you a little bit what I've done to the door to get JT in and out. This is something I have to do every time I need to take JT in and out, and it's a pain in the neck, but that's gotta be done. So let me turn you around and show you. I moved just about everything against the wall here, and in order to get a little bit of room around here, let's see if we can see a little bit better. So normally what I have to do is take all the trim off the door, and I've cut 2 big chunks off of my doors, and in this way, swinging JT around, it just barely fit because we had to take off the rail for the garage door. Everything is off. Usually somebody leaves a little bit of skin on these walls. It's usually me, but you know, it's a necessary sacrifice that's gotta be done to get JT in and out. All right, let's see if Chris makes it here, and we're gonna get started. So we're gonna do the pre-oil procedure. Chris, you keep an eye on the prop for me.
Okay.
I got the main essential on, mags are off. Let me get engine instruments up.
What am I looking for? You say watch the prop?
No, just make sure nobody walks into the prop.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and if you guys see some leak, obviously the sooner we detect the leaks, the better.
Yeah.
Especially when we actually try to run the engine. Odds are it's not gonna run, and if it does run, it's gonna smoke like hell. But that's okay. If we can get ignition, that's good. I'm happy. All right, so let's see. I got engine instruments here. All right, so we're gonna spin it probably like 10-15 seconds or so. Let me see which one's the oil pressure. There's the oil pressure. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
Clear prop?
Yep.
All right, here we go. I'm getting oil pressure. I got about 20, about 30, so that's good. 30 psi, so that's good. I'm gonna shut everything off here. All right. Oh, the mags are off. Electricity is off. Good. Fuel is off. We don't got any fuel, so let me get the spark plugs back in, and we're gonna torque them.
So-called, I think.
No.
All right, let's get some gas in it. Let's pick a tank. Are you ready to open that one? All right, and we have the blood sacrifice. It's official, all right?
You gotta have that.
So now,
We don't need all crew members to get that.
all
Chris
right.
and I will explain.
We still need to put this back in, so there might be some more blood sacrifice there. So let's see, Beasley starting again. Let's turn it back on. Let's wait to get our engine instruments. Let me make sure that that thing's still recording. It would suck if it runs and we don't get it on camera. Oh, it's on camera. All right, it's on camera. Just show. See, blood. So it should work.
Your displays aren't on yet.
All right.
Okay.
Here we go. So, you got engine. This don't really matter, but that's all right. I think you can see better without my glasses. All right, so, guys, we need to. I'm gonna keep an eye, make sure we don't leak fuel in here. If you see fuel in there or oil dripping, whatever, please don't reach. Just wave, yell, whatever. Careful, Mark, over there. Yep. And yeah, if anything drips, just let me know.
Yep.
All right, so here we go. Let's see. Get throttle up, mixture off. It says pump on. All right. I might have to open the gas first. So let's see. We're on the left side.
Tank one.
Left side. Okay, pump on. Let me see if I got. Where's the fuel flow here? See if we got any fuel flow. Fuel flow and fuel pressure here. I got a fuel pressure here. Flow. I think I see the flow. All right. Let me turn the pump on. I got flow, and I don't get any fuel pressure, but
some pumps
that's because the pressure is measured further back. So, pump is on, so mixture full rich for 3 seconds. 1 potatoes, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, I got a fuel flow. Good.
Yeah, it just went up. You could hear it going in the
Pump
cylinders.
off. Mixture off, and we're ready to start. And then when it starts, it says mixture full rich. All right, you guys ready? All right. Let's see. How about I turn the mags and the ignition on, starter. All right, see what happens. All right, clip up. All right, that didn't sound like anything, did it? Let me make sure I got mags and that on. Apply. Looks good. Here we go again. I don't think he does that. All right, ignitions are off. I hate that thing shuts off on me. It looks like we're draining the battery or something. All right, we're gonna shut everything off. Fuel is on, but everything else is off here.
You want the charger, Marco?
Yeah, you can plug it in if you pull it. Yeah, that's fine because these fuel injectors are open. They suck in air, so if you get too much fuel, you know, that's normal. Yeah, it's well, the manual says if it doesn't start or runs rough, just switch these two things around. So we might try that. the thing that kind of is weird is the way this stops. It's like the spark is at the wrong time. That's what makes me think that these two things might need to be turned around. Let me just see. Because I mean, we obviously got fuel. Switch this to guys. All right, guys, we'll switch those things around. We have fuel. That's probably the only thing that I can think of right now. Chris, you got that thing connected? Yeah, let's put it on supply. All right. Hopefully that helps it by this from going off. All right, that's that. All right, we are live. Let's wait for our engine instruments. Good thing is I don't see any leaks anywhere, at least in here, so I'm pretty happy about that. All right. All right, well, you guys ready?
Yep.
Mark? Yep. All right, put that on. Throttle, mixture. Here we go. Clear?
Yep.
Right, we got oil pressure, fuel flow. That's good. Heavies are coming up.
Yeah, a little smoke around the exhaust.
Okay.
On both sides.
I'll let it warm up a little bit. Oh, it's on the other side. That's okay. Yeah, because I had a lot of oil. I had a lot of oil collect there, so that's good. That tastes good. All right, here you go.
Damn.
Yeah.
All right, Chris.
Yeah.
All right.
Put the wings on. We can get through here, bro.
Yeah, so we got a few issues. The amperes involved, the amps involved didn't work, and the RPMs didn't work. So, yeah, got back to the drawing board on those. But
You figure the smoke is just residual.
yeah, that's just so
Oil
much
and
oil. We had like
yeah.
6 gallons of oil that was coming out of all the valves and sitting in the intakes and the exhaust. All right, we wake everybody up. All right, so we're gonna call that a 90% win.
You got it on here, right?
Yeah, record. So we get the throttle, mixture is off, pump is on, mixture for reach for 3 to 4 seconds. So we should see a fuel flow there. There you go, there's fuel flow. All right, and then pump off, it says. And then mixture off, and then starts. When the engine fire, mixture full reach, and adjust throttle. Okay, so here we go. Turn these guys on. Clear prop, Chris?
Clear prop.
All right. There you go. Hey guys, so we got JT back in the shop. As you can see, the airplane worked. It was 50-50 on whether we had the ignition wire one way or the other, and we picked the wrong 50%, but that's what the manual says. If it doesn't start right, it's probably because you need to change the wires the other way. Unfortunately, there's no way to tell which way it is. So anyway, it's working, I'm good. We had no leaks, no problem, it ran great. Couple of little issues. The RPM's not working, indicator. The manifold pressure is not indicating. The volts and amps, they're not working. The fuel pressure is not working. And I think that's it. So there's also the fact that the engine instrument, you know, we were cranking for so long, I guess the battery just drained and kind of killed the engine instrument a couple of times, which is not really a good thing. So I might have to figure out a way to either get an internal battery to it, purchase that, or something else that we don't lose the engine instruments. But you know, it's a great starting point. I'm gonna have to troubleshoot those issues, and then we'll take it to the airport and get on with the inspection, put the wings on and everything, and then all there's left is go fly. So great start of the day. We had a good session. Little issues were going to crop up no matter what. I'm glad that the issues were with the instrumentation and not so much with the engine and the work that I've done. I'll have to open up the manuals for this Mini X and make sure that I know what the hell I'm doing with it. Right now, I just play with it and set certain values that might be incorrect for all we know. But anyway, I'm glad you got to see it, and please come back and visit next time. Who knows, I might be a flying video. Hope so. Take it easy. Ciao.